Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS Academy, myself Sandeep Adari. My dear students, let us understand why data science is crucial in every industry. My dear students, in today's world, data plays a very crucial role. You have to collect the data, retrieve the data, manipulate the data, or you have to use the data according to your need. Now, basic introduction to data science, let us discuss. What do you mean by data science? Data science involves extracting insights and knowledge from the data. So my dear students, you try to extract the data and you have to manipulate the data according to your need. And interdisciplinary field, it combines statistics, computer science and domain knowledge. Now my dear students, statistics plays a very important role. What is the deviation from the data or what is the mean mode? You can do lot of queries with the help of statistics and you will combine with the computer knowledge and some algorithms to get the data according to your need. Now my dear students, data-driven decisions. It empowers organizations to make informative decisions. So suppose I'll give you an example. Suppose in a place like Majestic, where lot of people will be gathering at there. If you propose a hotel there, so lot of people will be assembling there. So there can be a possibility of high business. So with the help of data, you can do some preliminary analysis. Now similarly, how can you enhance the efficiency using the data science? Now coming to the automation, because see students, in testing in software industry, nowadays everything we are trying to automate using the tools like Selenium or unified functional testing, or they can use jQuery in the web. Similarly, using the data science in the principles of automation, it streamlines repetitive work. See, always if the work has been repeated, if you apply the automation, definitely it will save the time and cost as well as the efficiency. Now coming to the optimization, it improves the resource allocation and operational process. So what happens when the automation comes into picture, the resources will be less required, and at the same time what work has to be allocated to the resources and how efficiently you can utilize the resources. This will obviously improve your efficiency and it also saves the cost. Coming to the predictive maintenance, it reduces the downtime through proactive measures. Suppose you have a tough deadlines, this automation will definitely help you to deliver the project or any work within the stipulated time. Now my dear students, when it comes to how data science is helpful in edutech or education and learning process, if you talk about personalized learning, it adapts teaching methods to individual learning styles. Now, my dear students, when I talk about learning means the kind of learning, some people will easily understand by visualization. So, with the help of visualizations, you can do your teaching. Some people will be more interested in listening. So, according to the methodology, you will adapt by the help of the data science. Similarly, curriculum development, it informs curriculums with the data insights. Now, my dear students, in the current world, we have to update the skills in a day-to-day activity. So, which curriculum will help you? You will see all the combinations with the help of data science, and this will help you to improve your teaching skills and curriculum. And most important, student performance. It analyzes the data to support student success and retention. Suppose a student has joined in an organization or a coaching institute. He has given some tests. Based on the test, in the first test he might score less. In the last test he scored more. Whether he is in improving state or whether he is in degrading stage, or which areas he has to focus more, what is his analytical skills, what is his critical thinking. Like that you will get an idea with the help of the data which he has given the test, so that we can improve the student performance. So my dear students, especially in the student performance, data science will play a very important role to improve the performance in the competitive exams like CAT, GATE, based on the tests given by the student. Now, my dear students, in engineering, how the data science is actually helpful. The most important thing in civil engineering, data science is used in smart city planning, traffic management and infrastructure management. Now, my dear students, in smart planning, suppose in areas like very rush areas, you have to have infrastructure in such a way that the roads and all should be, means if you are going with the roads, it should be like like 4 lane or 6 lane based on that, but at the same time you have to see the availability of the space, and also traffic you have to manage, infrastructure also how we can improve based on the allocation of the companies. Suppose if you see in Bangalore there might be areas where it is mostly populated and some areas we have less populated, so we have to design the city in such a way that which areas are yet to develop and where there can be a scope for development also. If you see that in the coming years they can accommodate 20 lakh population also, in that way you also have to have a future scope. So civil engineering uses this data science data, whether to improve the infrastructure development or highway management or traffic management, and similarly the smart city planning. Coming to the mechanical engineering, it helps in the analysis of mechanical systems like fluid dynamic simulations and thermal analysis. So fluid dynamic analysis, like if you see CNC, and also if you talk about the fluid dynamics, there are a lot of unknowns there. With the help of the data, what you have done in the laboratories, you can interpolate, and with the help of this data, you can do your analysis. And coming to the other branches like electrical engineering, data science is in optimizing grid operations, designing efficient circuits, and improving the energy management. So for designing the best circuits and improving the energy management, data science plays a very important role. Similarly, in chemical engineering, it uses in process simulations and optimization of chemical reactions and environment impact assessment. See, simple example, my dear students, with the compositions, you can have 10% composition, 20% composition, 30%, but it is all based on trial and error. The same thing can be used with the help of the data, and which will give you the better yields that you can use. And usually in Python integrated with the data, they will be using chemical engineering students will be using this, and they get their results. And coming to the aerospace engineering, it enhances aircraft design, flight simulations, and predict maintenance and ensures the maintenance. So my dear students, in all the engineerings, data has a very important role. Now my dear students, let me tell you, data science has a very important role you name in any field, because if in today's world we are just have to play with the data, we have to utilize the data, we have to analyze the data, so according to your purpose and needs. Now let us see what is the future of data science in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence or IoT, or if you talk about blockchain. This data science plays a very important role, because when these data scientists, when with the skills of AI or IoT, or you can say blockchain, he can do wonders. And if you see ethical considerations, ensuring data privacy, ethical use of data is also very important. And if you talk about continuous learning, emphasis the need for ongoing education and skill development in data science. If you see nowadays also, my dear students, data science has a lot of opportunities in the current industry, in the software industry, because the data will plays a very crucial role. So you talk about data mining, how the data has been stored in the Azure cloud all. So my dear students, how you have to redefine the data according to your purpose and need. And the data scientist should also have the respect to domain knowledge. If he is a civil engineering having some knowledge on data science, definitely it will enhance your skills. And this will, suppose if a civil engineer with the help of data science knowledge, he can do very good in town planning or smart city planning or traffic management. Similarly, in electrical engineering also related to the grid operations, or if you talk about the design of circuits, they will be, means my dear students, always remember updation of skills along with engineering will be add value addition to your resume. Now my dear students, let me tell you what we do at IMS Gate Academy. We at IMS Gate Academy offers 800 plus hours of gate coaching. It is online, offline, and also self-recorded sessions. We are providing 130 plus tests. It includes all in the mock tests, chapter tests, subject-wise tests. And remember, if you want to test yourself at every juncture, these tests will be helpful, my dear students. We are also providing 12-month one-to-one mentorship sessions. These mentorship sessions will help you to identify the strength and weakness. Apart from this, we are also providing the doubt solving portal where the doubts can be resolved in 24 hours of time. My dear students, if you want to have more and more videos on the generic videos like what, and also about the PSU job notifications, or if you want to attempt some daily quizzes, you can join our Telegram group, and the link is given in the description. Just click on the link and you can join the Telegram group. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and all the best, my dear students.